Hello everyone. Today we are going to start a new topic of chapter 12, that is artificial methods of vegetative propagation. As we have discussed in the last videos, natural method of vegetative propagation. Natural method means by the natural method we can grow a new plant like from the root, stem and leaves. Roots only can grow the new plant, stem can grow only new plant and leaves can grow new plant. Now next topic is artificial methods of vegetative propagation. It means human beings or men, they can use these methods for growing a new plant or new varieties of plant. Okay. So these are the artificial method. So first artificial method of vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation means we are growing a new plant by the vegetative parts of the plant like from the root, stem and leaves. So first method of artificial for vegetative propagation, that is stem cutting. So as the name suggests, we can get the idea. Stem cutting means we are taking a cutting of the stem for growing a new plant. Again, this is the vegetative part. Okay, but we are doing this method and human beings they are doing this method. That's why this is the artificial method of vegetative propagation. So stem cutting. So in this method, a healthy young branch of a plant having leaf buds is planted in the moist soil. Cutting develops and grows into a new plant. Examples are chameli, rose and sugar cane. It means in this method we take a we take a cutting of healthy young branch which is having a bud, because as we have discussed already in the last video, maybe this is a stem and on this stem this is a partition and this thin line it shows the node, it represents the node, and again this is a node and between two nodes this is an inter node and it's a clearly visible on the sugar cane. Okay. And this node it has a bud and always a new branch grows from a node region. Okay, so we take a cutting of the stem which is having this node area, because node area it is having a bud, so always we take a cutting of the stem which is having a node area, and when we grow this part in the soil, in the moist soil, after some time this cutting it develops and roots grows from this part and it develops completely into a new plant. So we can see from the stem only a new plant is growing. That's why it's a vegetative propagation. And examples are chameli, rose and sugar cane. It means in this plant we can use a stem cutting for growing a new plant. Now next artificial method of vegetative propagation, that is layering. In this method, a young branch is bent towards the ground and covered with moist soil. Maybe this is a branch and is bent towards the ground and it is covered with the moist soil, forming a layer. After some time, roots develop from the covered part, which the young branch which we have bent towards the ground and which we have covered with the soil. After some time, the roots develop from this covered part and the branch is then cut off, and after some time we cut off this branch because roots are developed. Okay, so we cut this branch, हम इस part को cut कर लेते हैं और वापस से हम इसको soil के अंदर grow करवा के new plant grow करवा सकते हैं. So this is the layering method and we can use this method for growing these plants jasmine and bougainvillea. Now you can see in this diagram we are using a layering method for growing a new plant. So as we have discussed, we are taking a young plant and the young branch and young and healthy branch of this plant we have bent towards the ground and we have covered this with the moist soil. After some time roots develop from this bent part, and when roots develop we cut this branch and allowed to grow into a completely new plant. So this is a new plant. So हम इस तरह से क्या करते हैं कि इसमें पेरेंट प्लांट जो है उसके एक ब्रांच को हम सोइल के अंदर थोड़ा सा ग्राउंड की तरफ बेंड कर देते हैं, फिर उसको सोइल से कवर कर देते हैं जिससे कि एक लेयर फॉर्म हो जाती है. दैट्स व्हाई दिस मेथड इज नोन एज लेयरिंग मेथड. कुछ दिनों के बाद इसमें से क्या होता है, रूट्स डेवलप होती है. रूट्स डेवलप होने के बाद हम इस ब्रांच को जिसको हमने बेंड किया था ग्राउंड की तरफ, इसको हम कट कर लेते हैं कर लेते हैं और एक completely new plant ये grow होने लग जाता है. So this is the next artificial method of vegetative propagation. Now the next method, next artificial method of vegetative propagation, that is grafting. So many times we have heard this word grafting. Grafting means if we are joining two different parts and they are combining together and they are forming a new plant, so this is known as graft. So in this method, a bud or cutting with buds of one plant called the scion is kept over the cut stem of a rooted plant called the stalk. It means we are taking a two different varieties of a plant. Maybe we are taking a rose and one is a pink color and another is a white color. And if we want to bring both the colors in a one plant, in a one flower, so in this method, we have to use a grafting method. So in this method, if you are using a grafting method for growing a new variety, or if you want to bring a new color in the flower, so first of all we have to take a bud or cutting with buds of one plant. Okay, maybe we are taking a pink or white. Okay, so the flower in which pinkish color is there. Okay, and this is the white. So first of all we have to take the bud or cutting with buds. Maybe we are taking only bud part and cutting with buds of one plant called the scion. So this cutting with bud, it is known as scion, is kept over the cut stem and another plant in which is having a white flower. Okay, so this is having a roots. Okay, and we have to cut the stem of this plant. Okay, now we have to keep this scion and this cutted part in which root is present. So this is known as stalk. Now we will place the scion over the stalk. Now we will tie scion and stalk together with a thread or with a rope firmly. बहुत ज्यादा टाइट नहीं करना होता, बहुत आराम से बांधना होता है दोनों को, स्क्योन और स्टॉक को. स्क्योन को हम स्टॉक के ऊपर प्लेस करते हैं. कुछ दिनों के बाद क्या होता है, स्टॉक और स्क्योन दोनों के टिश्यूज आपस में कंबाइन हो जाते हैं और जो स्टॉक होता है वो इसके जो न्यूट्रिएंट्स, क्योंकि रूट्स कहाँ है, रूट्स इसमें स्टॉक के अंदर, तो ये क्या करेगी, मिनरल्स और वाटर जो भी एसेंशियल न्यूट्रिएंट्स है सॉइल से लेगी. ठीक, तो जो स्टॉक होता है वो जो भी एसेंशियल न्यूट्रिएंट्स है फॉर द ग्रोथ, ये किसको सप्लाई करता है, यहाँ पे स्टॉक को. और ये कंप्लीटली न्यू प्लांट ग्रो होता है जिसमें कि पिंक और व्हाइट बोथ द कलर्स आर प्रेजेंट इन अ वन flower. So we can develop a new plant, new variety of the plant by using a grafting method. But if we are using a grafting method, so we have to take a care, क्योंकि हमें अगर हम यहाँ पे ग्राफ्टिंग मेथड यूज कर रहे हैं तो जो हम स्ट्रोक ले रहे हैं उसमें रूट सिस्टम होना बहुत जरूरी है. अगर उसमें बिल्कुल रूट सिस्टम नहीं होगा, अगर वेल डेवलप रूट सिस्टम नहीं होगा तो ये मेथड जो होगा ग्राफ्टिंग का ये बिल्कुल फेल हो जाएगा. तो हमें ये जब भी हम ग्राफ्टिंग मेथड यूज कर रहे हैं फॉर ग्रोइंग अ न्यू प्लांट, सो ऑलवेज वी हैव टू टेक केयर. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज एडवांटेज ऑफ ग्राफ्टिंग मेथड. बाय ग्राफ्टिंग मेथड कई सारे एडवांटेज है, जैसे कि अगर हम हमारे डिजायर्ड प्लांट ग्रो करवाना चाहते हैं तो हम ग्राफ्टिंग मेथड के थ्रू ग्रो करवा सकते हैं. नई वेराइटीज के प्लांट अगर हम ग्रो करवाना चाहते हैं, जैसे कि अभी बताया कि मैंने दोनों कलर एक ही फ्लावर में लेना चाहती हूँ, अलग अलग हैं. या फिर ये से भी हो सकता है कि जैसे कि हमारे पास दो, मे बी वी आर ग्रोइंग अ वीट, अगर हम वीट की दो अलग अलग वेराइटीज है, एक है जो कि बहुत अच्छी डिजीज रेजिस्टेंस है और दूसरी है जिससे कि हमें जो उसकी क्वालिटी है वो बहुत अच्छी है. बट अब हमें दोनों चीज चाहिए तो हमें क्या करना पड़ा है, दोनों की अलग अलग क्रॉप ग्रो करवानी पड़ रही है. लेकिन अगर हम ग्राफ्टिंग मेथड यूज करते हैं, दिस इज एन ओनली जस्ट एग्जाम, अगर हम ग्राफ्टिंग मेथड यूज करके हम क्या कर सकते हैं, दोनों ही फीचर्स को, दोनों ही कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स को हम क्या कर सकते हैं, एक प्लांट में लेके आ सकते हैं जिसके अंदर डिजीज रेजिस्टेंस पावर भी होगी और उसकी क्वालिटी भी बहुत अच्छी होगी. तो हमें दो अलग अलग प्लांट, दो अलग अलग वेराइटीज ग्रो नहीं करवानी पड़ेगी, हमें केवल एक वेराइटी ग्रो करवाएंगे जिसमें कि दोनों फीचर्स होंगे. तो हम हमारी डिजायर्ड वेराइटी के, न्यू वेराइटीज के प्लांट ग्रो करवा सकते हैं बाय द ग्राफ्टिंग method. And grafting method we can use in the rose, in guava, in these plants we can use a grafting method. Tiny. Thank you for watching my video. So if you understand by my video, like, share and subscribe my channel.